Are you a business owner of 10 or more employees? If so, then you've probably definitely got a phone system. If you've got a phone system, then you should definitely be using on-hold marketing. So in this video, I'm going to show you a piece of software called Gotalk.ai that allows you to create your own professional on-hold marketing messages instantly, download them instantly with unlimited access and unlimited changes throughout the year, which will completely remove the need to pay for traditional companies who would like to charge you over £100–150 per month, sign you into a 3 to 5 year contract, and give you one change per year. Let's jump straight into the software and I'll show you how you can do this. Okay, so all you have to do is head over to Gotalk.ai, click login. Once you log in, you'll be presented with this page. So click business use. And then here it will give you 3 examples of the AI voice artists. So let's click next. Now this is the really clever bit. So all you need to do here is add your business website. So let's say, once you've done that, click next and the AI will visit your website and start writing some template scripts for you. So here you go. The one that we're interested in is the on-hold marketing message. So click next. We'll go through and build all of them, but the one that we'll use is the on-hold marketing. Now all we do is click save. And this takes us over to where our projects are. So let's open up the ones that we've just built. There you go. So the on-hold marketing message is there. So open that. And now we're in the studio. So you can see here it's written the script that the AI created for us. Obviously, we can use that. We can delete it and write our own. It's totally flexible. You can do whatever you want. So here is where you can choose any of your speakers. So these are all the UK speakers. There's 50 different languages that you can choose from. So it's pretty much everything you'd ever want. So let's just stick with the UK speakers. Click close. Now, because this is on-hold marketing, we're not going to want to say all of this in one foul swoop. You'd want to break it up into sound bites. So let's just stick with what the AI created for the purposes of this video. Click plus. There you go. Now let's cut that and put that into another soundbite. So we've got 3 bits of voiceover that are going to kick in at different times whilst callers are on hold. Obviously, you can add additional ones if you want to. The really cool thing with this is that you can come back to this at any date further down the line. So 6 months' time, if you wanted to add a special offer onto your on-hold marketing, or if you had a new product that you wanted to announce, you could just jump on and add it whenever you like. So let's go over to music. Here we've got access to 8,000 soundtracks. So there's pretty much a soundtrack for everyone. So let's just be boring and say corporate Horizon. Yep, happy with that. Click plus and you can see it's now in the timeline. So all we need to do now is simply choose when these come in. So let's, for the purpose of this video, let's just say every 6 seconds. So that comes in after 6 seconds of music. That one comes after 6 seconds of music. And then that one comes after 6 seconds. And then all you need to do is download it. It's downloaded all the file that are compatible with all the phone systems out there. So click download, and then all you've got to do is either upload this file straight into your phone system or send it over to your telecom provider and they'll do it for you. It's as easy as that.
Thank you for calling Hendy. Established in 1859, we offer a wide range of new and used cars, vans, and trucks. Explore our servicing, MOT, and Motability options. Visit our website for the latest offers and to find your next vehicle today.